Chuchi, what are you doing?
I'm dancing at the wedding, having so much fun.
That's why they say Abdullah has gone crazy at someone else's wedding.
Bro, who is this Abdullah? I and groom's friends danced like a mad crowd.
Oi, Chuchi, whose wedding? Which friends?
Bro, someone got married in my dream.
Oye, Chuchi!
I saw in the dream. We were going to attend someone's wedding. There was a band playing some music, but no one was dancing because the band was playing a really sad music. Bro, I couldn't watch that, so I whispered something in your ears. And then Honey took a horn from the band guy, and Lali took the drums from the drummer. I took the saxophone from another guy, and then we played such a rocking music, gave such an amazing performance that the groom and his friends started dancing crazily.
Oye, Chuchi! But what did you whisper in our ears?
How would I know? You must know that. They were your ears, bro.
Oi, Chuchi! Leave it. Let me think. Sad guests, sad songs. And what rhymes with sad? Swag. And to turn the sad scene into swag scene, we need music. I understood your dream now. Your dream is telling us that if we want swag in our lives, we have to form our own rock band, Swag Band.
Bro. Your idea has a lot of swag.
Oye, but they play us like a band every day. How will we play a band?
First, we will form a new band, then we will play. And Pandit Ji will tell us how to make one.
You will form a band, but how?
You will tell us about that, Pandit Ji.
What should I say?
Come on, don't you want a free chole bhature plate?
Now you are talking, kid. Bring 2 plates, okay?
Pandit Ji, you forgot the first rule of the business. Payment after the work is done.
Oh, really? All right, then listen. These days, if you want to form a band, then you can't make a local band which plays at people's weddings. You have to form a modern band, kids.
Modern, like Swagman, huh?
You are right, honey. In this modern band, you need a guitar player, 1 drummer, and 1 good vocalist.
Who is this vocalist, bro?
A vocalist is someone who gives vocals.
Why will someone give us calls?
Oh, Chuche. Vocal means voice. A vocalist is someone who gives his voice, a singer.
I will be the singer because from burps to yawns and farts, I know how to make all the sounds.
He's so cross. So Mr. Chucha will be the singer. But who will play the guitar?
Oh, come on, Pandit Ji. I will play the guitar with swag. Because there are strings in the guitar. And you have to play the strings with a lot of swag.
Now you have to find your drummer. Lali, you should play it.
But I don't know how to play the drum.
Oi, bro, Lali. You just need to take 2 sticks and hit them on anything you see in front of you. See, now you are a drummer.
Hey, Fukre boys, stop playing this music.
Fukra band? No, we need another name.
We should name it the Swag Band.
The swag band.
Oi, Lali, every wall and every table of the school is a drum for you. Now show us everything that you got to do. Chuche, sing from your heart. Let's make people crazy for our music. Something is wrong, brother. This guitar is not making any music.
Oye, honey, Safar is coming this way. Let's ask for his help.
Zafar, my friend, my buddy. You are our rock star brother. Now please teach us how to play this guitar.
What's this? You can't make a guitar by tying a wires on a racket.
Brother, people hit shuttles with the racket. And we will make hit songs by playing it like a guitar.
And our band will become hit too. Check this.
No, Lali. You watch and learn now. This is how I play C minor chord.
Oi, 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 minor. What is a minor, bro?
Oi, Chuche, minor means small.
Oi, bro, Zafar, you are my bro Honey's friend and you're teaching him small music? Huh, I don't like.
Hey Chuche, don't use brains while I am teaching. It's guitar's chord name.
Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi.
Oi, Chuche, there's something not right.
Huh? Am I not singing in a right way?
No, something is not right with the band.
Bro, I knew it from the beginning. We will get slapped due to this band.
No, Lali, we didn't do anything wrong. See, if our band's name is Swag Band, then the band members should also have some swag, right? But the swag is missing.
Bro, let me call the swag now. He will come. Come, swag, come!
Oi, your swag isn't your pet. It won't come if you call for it. I think we should change the name of our band. We won't need any swag if there will be no swag in our name.
Not the name. We have to change our style, Lali. Style. Do you know what's the best thing about our swag man? His cool hairstyle. We will change our hairstyles, brother.
Hey chickens, why are you looking like jokers today?
Oi, 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 it's not a disguise. It's a swag, bully swag.
You and swag? It looks like a crow pulled out your hair. You can never have a swag.
What is this, Boli? You are my best friend, but you never encourage me. Huh, I don't like.
Oi, Chuche, don't worry and just chill now. Let's go. We have to meet our principal.
అయ్యో స్వాగ్ బ్యాండ్ నో నెవర్ దిస్ ఇస్ a school of ideal students you can only play an ideal music here no rock no shock no never
Ideal music? What's an ideal music, sir?
others music means శాస్త్రీయ సంగీత్ classical music
Oi, 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 class is sick music. Don't worry, sir. We will play good music for the whole class tomorrow. 6 students will feel much better than...
అయ్యో చూచా don't waste my time go to class
Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi.
Who is making this noise now?
Oi, 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 sir. It's not a noise. It's my vocals.
Who are calling here? I could not hear a name.
I got confused too when I heard this word for the first time. Vocal doesn't mean calling someone. It means I'm singing. For our swag man, sir.
Hey, Mr. Chucha, tell me why do you torture me every single day? I have been teaching from past 20 years, but I can't teach you a single thing. Why can't you tell everything like a normal human being?
Sir, I will explain. We formed a music band called Swag Band. Now all of us want to make good music so that we can make you and our school proud.
Oi, 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 oi. How can we make them loud? Chusky sir is already a very loud personality. No, we can't make him more loud, bro. He looks really cute like this. He doesn't need more loudness.
Sir, once our Swag Band gets famous, then you can also join us. We will play music and you can dance with the swag.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Then what are you waiting for? Let's perform today.
Sir, but Murthy sir is not giving us permission. He is saying that kids can only play classical music in our school.
Don't worry, kids. I will talk to Chanchal sir today. He will teach you classical music in one day, boys.
See, kids, the classical music comes from within and you sing it from inside.
Oi, 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 Chanchal sir. That means I'm an expert in the classical music. I stand inside the bathroom every day and sing songs.
Mr. Toot, I'm saying sing from your heart, not from inside the bathroom. We should start now. What are you doing, kids?
Oi, 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 sir. You just said, so we came a little closer.
I was singing Alap, kids. I wasn't calling you. It's okay. Let's start again.
It came again.
What?
PP is coming out, sir.
Wait! Don't get distracted. Listen to it. Sare ga ma. What are you doing?
Oi, sir. You just sang Sa Re Ga Ma. So we all started calling our ma.
Hey, Chucha, please forgive me. I can't teach you guys any music. I'll tell Murthy sir that you have learnt everything and you are ready to perform now.
Thank you, sir.
Students, a music band has been formed in our school for the first time. Ideal Swag Band. Please give them a big hand.
Start the show and play. Start moving your body, don't stay. Old uncle aunties have hair. Grey, grey, grey. And everyone calls us Fukre. Make some noise for the Fukre boys.
Ayo, Chucha!